Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today we will be claiming from these two amazing faucets, Faucet and the Arubel network. As you can see, this is the Faucet homepage. Your faucet list is at the top as well as links to other faucets. You can get started by putting your Faucet Pay email in the login box in the center of the screen. Sign in and solve the CAPTCHA. It's that simple. Both faucets pay directly to Faucet Pay. If you don't have a Faucet Pay wallet, sign up by clicking on the link in the description below. Once the claim is confirmed, you can click over to the Arubel Network tab on your browser and do the exact same thing. The Arubel network is exactly like Faucet. With over 20 coins to claim from, you can earn quickly with these sites. Sign in and solve the CAPTCHA. When you are done claiming, go back to your Faucet Pay account and check your balance to confirm your coins have been deposited. You can sign up to both of these faucets by clicking on the links in the description below. At the bottom of your Faucet Pay dashboard, you will see your claim history. Arubel Network and Faucet should be at the top of your claims. It's that simple. See, it's that easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please smash the like button and subscribe.